What's up and welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be showing you that people say whatever you do on the internet is openly available for anyone to go and find out. So this is the way how you can go and find out how the website company is there, who is operating the company, who has purchased the domain, from where, when the domain is going to go and expire, when it was purchased. You will get all of the details from that company. So it's like finding the details about the company. There is phone numbers also given, email address, so it's like openly available for anyone to see on the internet. So this is kind of a scary thing, but it is there. So this is the domain which I purchased from GoDaddy. So that's openly available that I'm on GoDaddy. I purchased this domain from GoDaddy. So how we can go and find out is there's website named as who.is, who is. So how you can go and find out is you just need to go and enter the domain. It is going to go and get the details and show you from where the company is there, on which date the domain was purchased, on which day it is going to go and expire, from where it was purchased, all of the details right over there. So if people are smart, they are not going to go and show you, but for example, you will not get my details, but sometimes you will get like from which company it was taken, from what number, and you get all of the details when the domain is going to go and expire. So I just entered my domain name and I just click on search. So it is going to go and say that .com was taken, but .in, .net, .org, .rocks, all of this one is available. So if you want to go and purchase it, you can do that. But when it comes to different big company, they buy each and every domain. So they don't give you option that you can go and get the details and you will get all of the information just by adding like random name .in, .io and so on and so forth. .com was purchased by me, but it is showing the name is GoDaddy.llc. So my name is hidden. It is going to go and referral URL GoDaddy. So details about me is been hidden. So another thing, but other people is openly available. It is going to expire, so it just gives you when my domain is going to expire, when it was registered, when it was updated. I didn't update anything. What is the server name which I'm using GoDaddy server. If I'm using someone else server, it is going to go and give the details of that as one. Domain name and register and so on. You will get all of the details which should not be available so easily, but it is available online. So you get like what you can purchase, what you cannot purchase, like whole history of a website is been given by who.is. So you get the details. It actually take the cache and it just shows when it was taken, and you get the details about the company. You get the name of the person and so on and so forth. So it's like finding the details from behind the scene, and you get everything. You get all of the things like a key to your data or to your website. So it's openly available and you can go and get the details from who.is, from any website which you like. Some website might be there which is nowhere seen, so you won't get any details about that. And I know because I had already tried something like free website and so on, and that was not available on who.is. But when it comes to big website, it is going to go and show you the details, like most of the insights of the website. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and got the details of how you can go and get the details of any website from who.is. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Make sure to comment down below what you like about this video and what you don't, and I'll see you guys in the next one.